Welcome to 365 Travel View. In this video, we are exploring Mossman, Queensland, Australia. Join me on a journey through one of Australia's most magical corners as we explore the winding trails and emerald pools of Mossman Gorge in the Daintree Rainforest. Hidden creekside swimming holes and a tranquil river, panoramas from scenic lookouts and rainforest treetops. Whether you're after immersive nature visuals, inspiration for your next Queensland trip, or just a peaceful escape from daily life, this channel brings Mossman to you. One view, one hike, one river at a time. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next rainforest walk. Also, your likes and subscriptions help this channel grow. We spent only half a day at Mossman Gorge, but I think a full day should be allocated for this trip. So, what to see and do at Mossman Gorge? Nestled at the edge of the Daintree Rainforest in Far North Queensland, Mossman Gorge is a must-visit destination for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone seeking a peaceful connection with the wild. Even on a half-day trip, you can experience some of the most beautiful highlights this tropical wonderland has to offer. 1. Start your visit at the Cultural Center where you'll learn about the traditional owners of the land. You can also join a guided Dreamtime Walk to hear local stories and gain deeper insight into the rainforest's spiritual significance. Rainforest Boardwalk and nature trails is the main item. Wander along well-maintained walking tracks through lush World Heritage-listed rainforest. The 2.4-kilometer rainforest circuit track is perfect for a leisurely walk, with towering fig trees, vibrant bird life, and delicate ferns all around. Next highlight is crystal-clear swimming spots. Cool off in the pristine waters of the Mossman River, where large boulders and refreshing natural pools create a picture-perfect swimming spot. Several viewing platforms offer stunning vistas of the rainforest canopy, the river's cascades, and the dramatic granite formations that make this gorge so iconic. Wrap up your visit with a peaceful picnic by the water, or simply relax and soak up the tranquil sounds of the rainforest before heading back. Allow around 3 to 4 hours to explore comfortably. Wear sturdy shoes, bring water, insect repellent, and swimwear if you plan to dip in. Morning visits are best for cooler weather and fewer crowds. A half day at Mossman Gorge is the perfect way to immerse yourself in the ancient beauty of the Daintree. A refreshing mix of adventure, culture, and serenity, all within easy reach of Port Douglas or Cairns. Mossman Gorge is renowned for its unique blend of ancient rainforest, stunning river scenery, well-maintained walking tracks, and deep Indigenous cultural connections, all within easy reach of Port Douglas and Cairns. Mossman Gorge is famous for being one of the most spectacular and accessible gateways to the Daintree Rainforest. The world's oldest surviving tropical rainforest, Mossman Gorge, is about 80 kilometers north of Cairns, Queensland. By car, the drive takes roughly 1 hour and 30 minutes. The route follows the Captain Cook Highway, a stunning coastal road with ocean views and tropical scenery. The journey itself is part of the experience. Most visitors combine a visit to Mossman Gorge with a stop in Port Douglas, located about 20 minutes south of the gorge, which makes a great base for exploring the Daintree Rainforest. Getting from Mossman Gorge to the Daintree Discovery Center is a scenic and easy trip. From Mossman Gorge, drive back to Mossman Town and follow signs for Daintree Village/Cape Tribulation on Mossman Daintree Road. Continue north until you reach the Daintree River Ferry. Cross the ferry. The ferry operating daily with a 5-minute crossing with a small fee. After the ferry, follow Cape Tribulation Road for about 10 to 15 minutes. The Daintree Discovery Center will be on your left, well signposted. Allow a fuller half day if you plan to explore the Discovery Center's canopy walks, aerial boardwalks, and interpretive displays. We spent half day at Mossman Gorge and half day at Daintree Discovery Center. Remember to watch the Daintree Discovery Center virtual tour also from this channel. If you like one thing in this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Why is it important to hit that like button? Your likes help support our channel. They show YouTube that our content resonates with you and encourage us to keep creating more travel video for you. The more likes a video gets, the more YouTube's algorithm sees it as engaging and valuable. This can lead to the video being recommended to more viewers, helping it reach a wider audience. When you like a video, it helps attract new viewers. This helps our community grow, allowing us to share more amazing experiences. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like it. Your support makes a huge difference and helps us continue sharing our adventures. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love your thoughts.
We climbed the hill hand in by the